In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome go full screen mode. If you're trying to focus, present, or simply enjoy a clean view of a web page. Full screen mode is a quick way to remove visual clutter like tabs, the address bar, and bookmarks, so the site you're looking at takes center stage. Let's start with the fastest method using the keyboard. When Chrome is the active window on your PC, press the F11 key on your keyboard. The change is instant. Your tabs, bookmarks bar, and the address bar slide out of view, and the page stretches to fill the entire screen. You'll know it worked because the top window frame disappears and your content reaches all the way to the edges. If nothing seems to happen, make sure you've clicked inside Chrome first so it's in focus, then try F11 again. Prefer using your mouse, or you're more comfortable with on-screen controls. You can enter full screen from Chrome's menu. Move to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three stacked dots to open the menu. Find the Zoom section, then click the small square icon on the far right. With one click, Chrome switches to full screen, just like the keyboard shortcut. It's the same result, just a different path to get there. When you're ready to bring everything back, use the same simple idea. Press F11 again to exit full screen. Your tabs, address bar, and bookmarks will reappear exactly where you left them. If your laptop doesn't have a dedicated F11 key, or it's not easily accessible, there's another built-in way to leave full screen without changing any settings. Move your mouse all the way to the very top edge of the screen and pause for a moment. A slim control bar will drop down and you'll see a small X inside a circle. Click that X to exit full screen and return to the normal browser view. A quick note on what full screen actually does. It doesn't change the zoom level or the content of the page. It simply hides the Chrome interface so you can focus on the site itself. If you need to switch tabs, grab a bookmark, or type in a new address, just pop out of full screen, do what you need, and jump back in. That's all there is to it. Press F11 to enter or exit, or use the three-dot menu and the square icon to get the same effect. Maximum focus, zero distractions. You're all set.